Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. In this video, we are discussing about inverse trigonometry. We are in the exercise 2.2 NCERT questions. Let us have a discussion of the questions here. So they are asking to prove these results. So first one, let x is equal to sine theta. That implies theta equal to sine inverse x. Therefore, sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube is equal to sine inverse of, wherever x is there, replace with sine theta, 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, that is equal to sine inverse of, this is sine 3 theta formula, dear students. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. This is the formula for sine 3 theta. That is equal to sine inverse of sine 3 theta is 3 theta only, no? That is equal to 3 into sine inverse x. Hence proved. So sine inverse of 3x. Next come to the same question but in terms of cos. Let us consider x is equal to cos theta. That implies theta equal to cos inverse x. Okay? Now consider cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, which is equal to cos inverse of 4 into cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, which is equal to cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is the formula for cos 3 theta. So cos 3 theta, which is equal to cos inverse of cos 3 theta is 3 theta. That is equal to 3 into cos inverse x. So therefore, cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x is equal to 3 cos inverse x. This is also one of the important results, students. These two are very, very important results. Now come to another question here. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x, 1 plus 1 minus xy. So by using the formula, tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 divided by 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. That implies that tan inverse of 24 2s are 48 plus 77 by, here 24 into 11, here 24 into 11 get cancelled. So 11 into 24. So 24 into 11 how much? 22, 4, 26. So 264. 264 minus 14. So that implies that tan inverse of 48 plus 77, 125 divided by 250. So 125 ones, 125 twos. Tan inverse of 1 by 2. Therefore, tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24 is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. Here which formula we applied? We applied the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. Similarly, here also we have to apply the same formula. Before that, 2 tan inverse x, we need one formula is there. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. This formula also very important. So by using this formula, first term I'm going to implement. So 2 times of 1 by 2 is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. So tan inverse of 1 by 7. So tan inverse of 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. No, 3 by 4, 1 by 3 by 4 means 4 by 3 only. Plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now you can apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. You will get tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 4 by 21. Directly I am writing this students. So tan inverse of here 21, LCM step just I am writing. Tan inverse of 31 divided by 21 minus 4 is 17. That's what they are asking to prove now. Therefore, 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse of 31 by 17. Hence proved. We'll move to another set of questions. We'll move to another set of questions. First 4 completed. Next question number 5. Write in the simplest form. Write the following in the simplest form. Tan inverse of root of 1 plus x squared minus 1 divided by x. Next one, sixth. Tan inverse of 1 by root of x square minus 1. Seventh one. Tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. 0 is less than x is less than 5. Place is not sufficient to complete the other. After that, I will think about that. Here, whenever it is in this form, put x is equal to tan theta. If you take theta is equal to tan inverse x will come. Therefore, tan inverse of root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. So, tan inverse of root 1 plus tan square theta is secant theta. Secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. So, secant theta we can write as 1 by cos theta only. So, that is equal to tan inverse of 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta by cos theta. So, tan inverse of, take LCM and simplify. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Why? Because cos theta get cancelled. So, tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Here 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Half angle formula students, multiples of multiples. So 2 get cancelled. One of the sin theta by 2 get cancelled. So tan inverse of sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Tan theta by 2. Tan inverse of tan theta by 2 equal to theta by 2. So 1 by 2 theta. 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x. This is the simplest form for the given tan inverse of root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Wherever it is required, you remember, dear students, you can use as a shortcut formula. Wherever it comes tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x will be there. You can use as a shortcut formula half tan inverse x. Okay, dear students, is a very important point. Keep in mind and utilize. Now come to here. Put x is equal to secant square theta minus, sorry, suppose cot theta, if you take, what happens? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, no? So x is equal to x square minus 1. I want to get it. What values? Here theta is equal to cosecant inverse of x. Am I right? So tan inverse of 1 by root of cosecant square theta minus 1. We know that identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. No? So cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So tan inverse of 1 by, this is cot theta will come here, students. If you take the square root of cosecant square theta minus 1 is cot theta. 1 by cot theta is what? Tan theta. I want to bring the bracket value will be in terms of tan. Tan inverse of tan theta is what? Theta. But theta is equal to what? Cosecant inverse x. Suppose sometimes not only they will give this answer. From inverse trigonometric identity, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Alright. So from that, cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus secant inverse x. So it is equal to, both answers are right. Pi by 2 minus secant inverse x. This is the way you can finish it, dear students. Now come to here question number 7. Tan inverse of root over 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 to get cancelled, square root cancel, it will become tan inverse of tan x by 2. So tan inverse of tan x by 2 is x by 2. Am I right? This is the only simplest form. So therefore, tan inverse of root 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x is there. You can directly write it as a shortcut formula you can utilize. So tan is most of the calculus questions in limits or differentiation or continuity problems, it comes, dear students. Now question number 8. So tan inverse of cos x, take common from the numerator, 1 minus sin x by cos x, whole divided by cos x, take common 1 plus sin x by cos x. These two will be cancelled. Tan inverse of 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. So tan inverse of this bracket formula will be tan of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x is tan of pi by 4 minus x. So tan inverse of tan theta is theta. That means pi by 4 minus x. So here also, whatever I am putting in the boxes, we can utilize as a standard results, as a shortcut values also. Tan inverse of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x, you can take as pi by 4 minus x. Suppose if it is both numerator and denominator will be interchanged, cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x is there. In numerator plus is there means in your answer also plus will come. So you remember, dear students, these are the important points. Wherever it comes directly, you can write it as. Yeah, I hope you completed. We'll move to next questions. Till question number 8, we finished. Question number 9. Tan inverse of x by root over a square minus x square mod x is less than a. Yeah. Question number 10. Tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3a x square. A is greater than 0 minus a by root 3 to find the values after proving these results. Next, in question number 11 onwards, find the values of the following. The first one, tan inverse of 2 cos 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2. Next, question number 12. Cot of tan inverse of A plus cot inverse of A. Here, tan inverse means bracket value compulsory in terms of tan. I want to get it. So, put x is equal to, here a square is there. Suppose 9 square is there means x is equal to 9 sin theta. Here 3 square is there means x is equal to 3 sin theta. Here 16 is there, x is equal to 4 sin theta. Like this we can take, dear students. So, a square is there means a sin theta I am taking. That implies that x by a is equal to sin theta. That implies theta is equal to sin inverse of x by a. So tan inverse of, in place of x, a sin theta by root of a square minus a square sin square theta, which is equal to tan inverse of a sin theta divided by root over a square into 1 minus sin square theta. So a square bring outside, a will come, and 1 minus cos square sin square theta is cos square theta, that also bring outside. You will get as a sin theta divided by a cos theta. So tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. Theta means what? Sin inverse of x by a. This is the way we can do the students by simplification. Here also a is there, no? So x is equal to tan inverse of tan, you can take it now. So what is the here sin? If you take here x is equal to a tan theta, bracket value will become tan 3 theta formula. That is the reason we are taking. Put x is equal to a tan theta. That implies tan theta is equal to x by a. That implies theta equal to tan inverse of x by a. So therefore, tan inverse of 3a square in place of x, a tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta by a cube minus 3a into a square tan square theta. Tan inverse of a cube take common, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by a cube into 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, that is equal to tan inverse of tan 3 theta. This bracket value is the formula for tan 3 theta, dear students. So tan inverse of tan 3 theta is 3 theta. So that is equal to 3 into theta value is what they assume here, tan inverse x by a. Now come to here. Find the values of the following. Tan inverse of 2 into cos of 2 into sin inverse 1 by 2. 1 by 2 in terms of sin, for what angle it comes? Sin 30 degrees. So sin inverse of sin 30 means pi by 6. So tan inverse of 2 into cos of 2 into sin inverse of sin theta is theta only, no? 2 ones, 2 threes. Tan inverse of 2 into cos pi by 3. What is cos pi by 3? Cos 60 degrees, 1 by 2. So tan inverse of 2 into 1 by 2. Tan inverse of 1. What is tan inverse of 1? Tan inverse of tan pi by 4. Tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. That means pi by 4. We simplified the following values. Now come to here. Cot of tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of 1 by a, we can write it down. Cot of tan inverse x plus tan inverse by formula. Tan inverse of a plus 1 by 1 minus a into 1 by a. What happens, dear students, here? Cot of tan inverse of anything by 0 will come, which is infinity. Tan inverse infinity when it is possible, pi by 2. What cot pi by 2? Cot pi by 2 goes to be 0. I hope everyone understand. This is the old book, all the questions are covering. These are the questions also. Tan of 1 by 2 of sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square, where y is greater than 0 and xy is less than 1. This is one question. The other question is, here it will take question number 14. If sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, then find x value. Then find the value of x. Next question number 15. If tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Yeah, those who are watching, please share to your friends also, dear students. It will be same portion in intermediate AP also. That also I will make another video. So here, put x is equal to tan alpha. That implies alpha is equal to tan inverse of x. Y is equal to tan beta. That implies beta equal to tan inverse of y. Now, tan of 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha plus cos inverse of 1 minus tan square beta by 1 plus tan square beta. So, tan of 1 by 2 into 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha is the formula for sine 2 alpha. 1 minus tan square beta by 1 plus tan square beta is the formula for cos 2 beta. So, sine inverse of sine 2 alpha plus cos inverse of cos 2 alpha. So, tan of 1 by 2 into sine inverse of sine 2 alpha is 2 alpha. Cos inverse of cos 2 beta is 2 beta. So, to take common, tan of 1 by 2 into alpha plus beta. So, 2 to get cancelled. Tan of alpha plus beta values are what? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. What is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy beta. So, tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So, tan inverse of x plus y means answer is x plus y by 1 minus xy. We simplified these students. Now come to here. The given condition is sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x equal to 1. Sine bring this side. So, sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to 1. So, sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 1, which is equal to pi by 2. This is an identity, no? Sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x. So, this is an identity. the above result is possible for x is equal to 1 by 5. So how you know it is? A doubt will arise obviously. Obviously, we can conclude that sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of 1 by. So sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2, no? Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So the result is pi by 2 means x should be equal only, no? When both x values are equal, then result is equal. So this is result is possible for x is equal to 1 by 5. I hope you understand the students. We'll move to another question here. We already done the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Even here also tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 by 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. So tan inverse bring this side and simplify x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 by, anyway both the denominators will be cancelled, x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value is equal to 1 only, no? So actual multiplication x square plus 2x minus x is plus x minus 2 plus x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 by, here x square minus 4 minus x square plus 1 is equal to 1. So 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 3 equal to 1. So 2x square minus 4 equal to minus 3. So 2x square equal to 4 minus 3. 2x square equal to 1. X square equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Okay, dear students, this is the value of x. Solving for x. We'll go to another set of questions. Find the values of the following. So first one, anyway, 16th one. Sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. Next question number 17. Tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. Next question number 18. Tan of sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse of 3 by 2. Next question number 19. Cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6 is equal to, options they provided, 7 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, pi by 3, pi by 6. Question number 20. Sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to. So options 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1. Question number 21, and this is the last one. Tan inverse of root 3 minus cot inverse of minus root 3 is equal to. So options pi, minus pi by 2, 0, 2 root 3. Yeah. One by one we will simplify, dear students. Sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 means pi minus pi by 3. That is equal to sine inverse of sine of pi minus theta is sine theta. So sine pi by 3. Pi by 3 is lies between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 only, no? Okay. So sine inverse of sine theta is theta. So the answer is pi by 3. Here they are asking to find the values. Now come to here. Tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. Is it equal to 3 pi by 4 or not? 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi only. So tan of pi minus theta, tan inverse of minus tan pi by 4. Okay, what is tan pi by 4? Minus 1. Otherwise tan inverse of minus tan inverse of tan pi by 4. That is equal to minus pi by 4 over. Here, bracket values tan are there. What we have to do is these values also bring in terms of tan. So sine inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to some alpha. So 3 by 5 is equal to sine alpha. So right angle to triangle, you take it as alpha here. So here 3, here 5, obviously it will be 4 by using Pythagorean trebles. So from this tan alpha is 3 by 4 is equal to tan alpha only. No? So from that alpha is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. So wherever alpha is the sine inverse of 3 by 5, we can replace with this now. So tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus cot inverse of 3 by 2. We know the formula for that. Cot inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 1 by x. So tan inverse of 2 by 3. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse of x plus y by 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So we cannot cancel. Why? Because easy to simplify. That will be. So tan inverse of 9 plus 8 is 17 divided by here 12 cancel. 12 minus 6 is 6. So tan inverse of 6 is 17 by 6. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. Here, cos inverse of cos pi plus pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 can be written as 6 pi plus pi is pi. So cos inverse of cos of pi plus theta is minus cos theta minus cos pi by 6. You know the formula for cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse x. So pi minus cos inverse of cos pi by 6. So which is equal to pi minus pi by 6, which is equal to 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 is there in the second option, dear students. Now come to here. sine of pi by 3. Sine inverse of minus x is minus sine inverse x. So minus into minus is plus. Sine inverse of 1 by 2. So sine of pi by 3 plus sine inverse of sine pi by sine 30. 30 means pi by 6. Which is equal to sine of pi by 3 plus sine inverse of sine x is x. So pi by 6. Pi by 6 plus pi by 3 is pi by 2 only. No? So sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 value is what? 1. It is there in the fourth option. Now come to the question number, last question. Tan inverse of root 3. For cot inverse of I minus will come to students. So already minus is there. No? So minus pi minus cot inverse of root 3. So which is equal to tan inverse of root 3 minus pi plus cot inverse of root 3. So tan inverse of root 3 for 60 degrees will come now. So tan of 60 degrees means pi by 3 minus pi plus cot inverse of, in terms of tan root 3 60 degrees means root 3 in terms of cot 30 degrees. So cot pi by 6. So it is pi by 3 minus pi plus pi by 6. So pi by 3 plus pi by 6 is pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi is minus pi by 2. It is there in the second option, dear students. I hope you understand. Exercise 3.2 is a old book that all questions completed. I think nowadays in 2023-24 sessions in the revised syllabus questions, some questions are not there, but I covered the questions also. It will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching, dear students. Please do share with your friends and relatives. Especially is this NCRT will introduce from 2025 to 26 year academic year in Andhra Pradesh intermediate first year syllabus. This whatever I am completing this syllabus will help you in the intermediate first year in AP at Andhra Pradesh in intermediate board. Thank you all for your support. Jai Hind. Exam side mathematics by Pali.